Welcome to Eagle Point Caravan Park. The caravan park is perfectly positioned along the Gippsland Lakes, offering scenic water views and easy access to boating and fishing. We opted for a premium site, which placed us closer to the lake, definitely worth it for the views and proximity to the water. The site was spacious, level, and well-maintained, with easy access to power and water. As you enter the park, the office is on the right, and they have contactless check-in. You will find Dump Point on the left, well-placed and easily accessible for those traveling with self-contained setups. The camp kitchen was spacious and fully equipped with everything needed for cooking, including a barbecue. Outside and inside, there are 2 stovetops, fridges, microwaves, and more, plus plenty of seating. A great spot to meet fellow travelers. Next stop is the amenities, spacious, clean, modern and well kept. Showers had good water pressure and the facilities were cleaned regularly. There is also wheelchair accessible toilet and baby change room available. Next is the laundry, a convenient setup with multiple machines and dryers available. It's always a plus when caravan parks keep their laundry facilities clean and functional. The foreshore hub is so nice. This communal space was a highlight, providing a great area to relax and enjoy the stunning views of the lake. Perfect for socializing or just unwinding with a coffee which you can buy along with other delicious items from the cafe while taking in the surroundings. The cafe is open from 8:30 a.m. till 2 p.m. 7 days a week, but is closed on public holidays. There is a boat ramp, one of the best features for water lovers. The on-site boat ramp makes launching and retrieving boats a breeze, offering direct access to the Gippsland Lakes. And there is the playground, modern and well-maintained, perfect for families with young children. It's in a safe area where parents can relax while kids enjoy themselves. Another great feature is the large undercover barbecue area, with plenty of room to just sit and relax while enjoying your favorite meal and drink, or a get-together with friends and family. Please note that this foreshore is also used by the general public. Eagle Point Caravan Park offers a fantastic mix of relaxation and convenience. The premium site was worth the extra cost for the views and proximity to the lake. With excellent amenities, a great location, and plenty to do, it's a top choice for those looking to enjoy the Gippsland Lakes. Next time we're in the area, we wouldn't hesitate to book here again. If you've been here before, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews across Australia. Until next time, happy travels.